In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Instagram profile or account on the Instagram.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the home button in the left side corner of the screen. And after that, you should tap on your username. In the right side corner, tap on the Edit Profile button next to your username. Tap on Edit Profile at the top, and here you can select your or type in your name. After that, your username can be set as well as your website. You can add your bio, meaning that you can write a 150 word description about yourself. You can also add your email address, you can type in your phone number and your gender too. And if you are done, you can also tap on this similar account suggestions button. Include your account when recommending similar accounts that people might want to follow. And if you are done with adding all this information, tap on the submit button down below, and then your profile will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.